A team of experts from the World Health Organization is in Wuhan investigating the origins of the coronavirus. They were released from a 2-week quarantine just a few hours ago. Our Ramy Inocencio was in Wuhan during the initial outbreak, and he's back there now covering the investigation.
Finally free in Wuhan to find COVID's origin. 13 experts from the World Health Organization liberated after 14 days in quarantine. They tweeted photos of their departure. New York-based epidemiologist Peter Daszak showed off his clearance letter. He told CBS News before his release, China's first cases are his focus.
What contacts they had, what behaviors they had, and does that lead us into different geography or a different behavior? So it's unclear if China is the real source, the original source of the virus.
That will probably frustrate the many people around the world who believe COVID did come from China. Huanan Seafood Market, thought to be ground zero. The World Health Organization is expected to visit, but this place has been cleaned out and shut down ever since the pandemic started.
For the Huanan Seafood Market, how does waiting a year make it tougher for the WHO?
Unless you do hours after the incident, whether it's a day, a week, or a year makes no difference.
SARS expert Wong Lin-fa in Singapore is tracing COVID's origin and says the market can still offer clues.
If they can really trace back how the cage was arranged, what animals were sold, basically WHO cannot win, right? If the WHO could not get a mission to China, then to say, they are toothless. If they get a mission to China, now they say it's a PR stunt.
But polished propaganda is what the Communist Party knows well. From a new patriotic documentary for the nation to a massive COVID museum in Wuhan.
Critics have said that they can't trust China to be forthcoming with all the data that they have.
Let history be the judge, and let's be patient on those issues.
And we may need a lot of patience. Peter Daszak says it could be at least 2 years until we know the origin of COVID, but Wong Lin-fa says it could be more than 40 years based on Ebola. Bottom line, guys, it could be a long time until we know, and don't expect any breakthroughs from the World Health Organization trip this time. Tony?
All right, Ramy Inocencio once again for us in Wuhan. Ramy, thank you very much.